Hey, Mr. Raymond.
Hey.
Hi.
The participant, Laura?
Yeah, please can you give Laura a ride? Please.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, she's coming. Wait.
Oh.
Thank you, Mr. Raymond.
Okay, come. Let's go home. What happened? Bye-bye.
Hey, Laura. Hey, Miss Laura. You like your ride? You enjoying your ride? Yeah. Hey, Miss Laura. Hey, Miss Laura. Hey, Miss Laura. Hey, Miss Laura. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Miss Laura. Hey. 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 Hey, Miss Laura. Hey, Miss Laura. Hey. Hey, baby. Hey, Miss Laura. Hey, Miss Laura. Laura. Oh no, she's busy. She's busy. Hey, Miss Laura. Hey, Miss Laura. Laura, don't mess the car up. Laura, what you doing? What you doing? You fixed it? What happened? Wait, what's going on here? Oh, you got it? Laura, you got it. No, don't put it in your mouth, baby. You ready? Now drive. Drive. What you put? You don't like that. Raymond. What happened to the car? Okay. Okay.
The music.
The music?
Yeah.
Oh, let me fix the music. So what are you guys doing?
A car stuck.
It's stuck. So what are you going to do, Mr. Raymond?
I can fix this car.
Oh no. Okay, let me watch you fix it. Laura, you gotta let Raymond fix the car. What are you doing?
Let's fix the car.
Oh.
The car's fixed up.
Oh, good. Good job, Mr. Raymond. Good job. I love your music. I love your music.
Okay, Puss. It's stuck again. I can't fix it again.
Again. What's wrong?
The car's not working. I gotta fix it.
Okay, boy.
Are you ready? Now spin. Spin again. Spin the other way. Keep spinning. Now touch your toes. Reach to the side.
Really? Is that how to fix your car?
Now lay on the ground.
Yeah.
Wiggle like a worm. Wiggle like a worm. Move a little bit. A little bit more. Now free. Here we go.